If you're someone who frequently uses Facebook on your mobile device, it's important to know how to properly log out when you are done for the day. In this helpful Facebook tutorial video, I will show you how to log out of Facebook on your mobile device in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, let's open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu screen, scroll down to the bottom of the page. And at the very bottom, you will see an option to log out. Simply tap on that and you will be logged out of your account. And if you also want to remove your account from the device, tap on these three little dots right next to your name. And then tap on the third option, which is Remove Account from Device. And then tap on Remove Account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.